Today we are making silky, tangy lemon curd from scratch. Perfect for tarts, cakes, or just spreading on toast. Let's get started. Start by combining 181 grams of cubed butter, 85 grams of sugar, 11 grams of lemon zest, 165 milliliters of fresh lemon juice. Set it over medium heat and stir gently until the butter melts and the sugar dissolves. Bring it just to a boil. Transfer a third of the lemon mixture to another container. In a bowl, whisk together 155 grams of egg yolks. Add the remaining 70 grams of sugar. Now add a third of the lemon mixture to temper it. Pour everything back into the saucepan and continue cooking over medium heat, stirring constantly until the curd thickens and just starts to bubble. Next, strain the lemon curd through a fine mesh strainer. Use the back of the spoon to press it thoroughly. This makes it easier and ensures a smooth finish. Cover the surface directly with plastic wrap to prevent a skin from forming. Now place the bowl over an ice bath to cool it down quickly. A fridge won't cool it down as fast, and it will prevent the curd from overcooking and splitting. Once cooled down, transfer to a container of your choosing.